Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. You probably see what is going on the Bitcoin. It's real collapse, and actually we do not need currently even intraday charts. So it's the scale of the drop is so significant that we do not see really something interesting on the follow time frame chart and hourly chart. So when we have to take a look at the higher time frames on the weekly and daily right now. So on the weekly mostly we have the same pattern. As you can see, I even used the picture from the yesterday session because currently market mostly has completed this target, just a few $100 stands above it. So that is actually a major 127 extension of the butterfly that we have on the weekly. It stands, as you can see, in 44.22 area, but market here will not be at ever sold. So actually it easily could continue move lower, and yesterday we also have talked on extreme targets 18.20 approximately. So XLP was the major ABC patient on the weekly chart. Here is the major information that we have is the drop below these lows that we have on the weekly chart. Market has dropped below it currently and stands below them. So this is not some stop grabbing action or something of that sort. This will break out, guys, and that could lead to the far-going consequences on the Bitcoin. Also, market has broken through the major support, so that was also major support, as I have marked here, 618 major FIB support area. Market already has broken it. So in fact, from this area till these lows, we do not have any meaningful support, guys, anymore. All we have is just extensions or targets that could support market for a while, and of course oversold, but currently market is not at oversold yet. So that's the next area that we'll be watching for. As you know, the lows that we have been estimated today, it's approximately 46.7. So on a daily chart we have the same butterfly, but this market, yesterday we said that probably market will continue move lower because reaction on the overbought. When you see that market hits the overbought at some major support area, that was 127 extension of the butterfly, you expect to get some kind of the upside retracement. That gives some hope and possible, I don't know, some relief or some meaningful retracement. But when the market hits the oversold and shows the flat action, it means that this action, guys, is just reaction on oversold. And as soon as market will abandon the oversold, it's ready for more collapse, and that has happened again. So market stands at oversold again today. What does it mean? It means that we should be ready for some minor pullbacks on intraday charts, just reaction on the oversold. So market will continue creeping with the oversold, and it means that minor retracement will happen. Market will out from the oversold and it's ready for another leg down to the next oversold area that it has on the next session. So I call it as a creeping with oversold action. So next target of on the daily chart stands at 41.20 approximately. It's 1618 extension of the same butterfly. When you see the collapse stands right to the 127 in general on the butterfly action, a significantly increased chance to hitting of the 1618 extension of the butterfly. So that's what we'll be watching for on the Bitcoin in the nearest future. On the hourly chart, guys, the one thing that you could see just is that is what I'm talking about. This is hourly chart. Market is dropping, has dropped significantly, and that is the pullbacks. It's minor harmonic pullbacks that stands on reaction on oversold. Here again, it could be some pullback today for minor reaction on oversold, but in the next session, market will be ready for more collapse. So currently, guys, as you understand, there's no signs yet for taking a long position. Also, if you would like taking the short position, or maybe you're keeping shorts, you could use these minor harmonic retracements using minor patterns. So as you can see here, is minor godless triple to sell is forming. Use minor FIB levels for the most recent action, and if you will get some bearish continuation pattern, you could use it for taking the short position here with the preparation to hitting of the major weekly and daily targets. That's all that we see right now on the Bitcoin.